Let us look at solving an equation. Now the equation is AB times BK minus BK square is equal to BC square by 9. In the previous session, we saw BC square by 4, but here it is BC square by 9. And here we are going to use a new technique. Okay, so let's begin. So how do we start off? Again, let's take the right hand side, BC square. So first let's draw a square on BC. Let's mark these as D and E. Now we have to divide it by 9. So if we have to divide this square by 9, since it is a square, if we divide BC into 3 equal parts, then the square on one of those parts will be equal to BC square by 9. So how do we do that? How do we divide this into 3 equal parts? Remember, we can't use modern methods. We have to use straight edge and or a compass. Okay, so first thing that we do is we draw a line. Now it need not necessarily be through D. This line can be through anywhere. I'm taking it through D because D is already there. Otherwise, I'll have to put one more point and take the line through that point. So to avoid that additional point, I'm taking it through D. On B, D, I mark 3 equidistant points. I take the compass on B and without changing its setting, I keep marking these points. So I have F1, G1, H1, which are all equal in length. Now I join H1 and C and draw a line through G1 and F1 parallel to H1C. So let's draw these two lines parallel to H1C. Now take the intersection of these lines on BC. So this is one point of intersection and this is the other point of intersection. Let us hide off all the points and lines that are not required. And we draw a square on BF. Now we draw a semicircle on AB and extend GH to intersect with the semicircle and mark that point as J. Now through J, we take a line perpendicular to AB and mark the intersection with the segment AB as K. We cut off KJ at N so that KB is equal to KN. And now we complete this parallelogram, or more specifically rectangle. And let's mark this as L. Similarly, we complete this parallelogram, or more specifically square. Now let's see what is happening here. We have this rectangle AK by KN and we have this square on KB. So this entire rectangle is going to be AB times BM, but BM is equal to BK. So which means we can say AB times BK. Now from this, if we subtract BK square, we are left with this purple rectangle. Now that is going to be equal to this green square, that is BC square by 9. So we have solved this equation. Actually, we don't have to do a little bit of construction here, additional construction, because the moment we find K, we have solved the equation. Okay, so now what do we have? We have AK is equal to 16 and BK is equal to 1. BC square by 9 is equal to 16. So AK plus BK is 17. AK times BK is equal to 16. Yes. So sum of this AK and BK is equal to AB, and AK times BK is equal to 16, which is equal to BC square by 9. Basically, we have arrived at a rectangular area whose area is equal to this square. AB times BK minus BK square equal to BC square by 9 can be written as AB times BM, because BK is equal to BM minus BK square is equal to BF square. And AB times BM can be written as AM minus BK square can be written as KM. BF square can be written as BG. So AM minus KM equal to BG. Now, if you carefully take care of this construction of setting this up, then if you change the values of AB and BC, then this construction will allow you to arrive at AK and BK, whether you change AB or BC. That's it.